Baba, ngiyakuzizwa ngilalele namuhla Nkosi ngabe ngaphambuka ngapi ingabe ngona ngapi kungabe ngatshiya indlela yakho kaze ngalahleka ngingaboni Baba ngicela ungitshengise lava inhliziyo yami yonakele khona ngoba ngifuna ukuhlala nginje ngifuna ukubuyela kuwe Lord, where did it all go wrong? How did my spirit become this tired? If I failed you somewhere along the way, please reveal it so I can make it right. Ngoba ngisafuna ukubaleka, ngifuna ukulungiswa nguwe. If your mercy still reaches souls like mine, please let it reach me too. Ngihawukele Baba, ngikuqa phambi kwakho. Ngihawukele Baba, ngihlambulule inhliziyo yami. If there's darkness inside of me, bring it all into the light. Ngihawukele Baba, and hold me through the night. Ngiyakubiza Baba, ihlanze. Kukhona abangihluphileyo Nkosi, abangilimazile kakhulu. Ngithwele ubuhlungu isikhathi eside, kwesinye isikhathi kunzima ukuthethelela, kodwa njengoba ngithela intethelelo kuwe, ngifundise lami ukuthethelela, ngisize ukukhulula bonke imbabobho enhliziyweni yami. There are wounds I still carry, words that never left my soul. But while I'm asking you to forgive me, teach me to let others go. Ngoba ubuhlungu buyayisindisa inhliziyo, kodwa uthando lwakho luyaphilisa. Teach me how to release it all and place it in your hands. Ngihawukele Baba, ngikuqe phambi kwakho. Ngihawukele Baba, ngihlambulule inhliziyo yami. If there's darkness inside of me, bring it all into the light. Ngihawukele Baba, and hold me through the night. Ngiyakudinga manje Nkosi, ngiswela amandla phakathi kobuhlungu. Ngiphakamise lapho ngiwela khona, ungangideli Baba wami. If the sins before me still remain, please pour your mercy on my name. Ngimela abadlulayo nabazayo, ngicela umusa phezu kwethu sonke. Your word says ask and you receive, so here I am down on my knees. Ngiletha lonke phambi kwakho. Please Lord, receive my prayer. Ngihawukele, ngifundise ukuthethelela, ngikhulule Baba, ngihawukele